Surprise? Got a horn on my head. Do you have omomori? Do you have omomori? It's a TripAdvisor's all good map, Google's apps, perfect guide to Tokyo. But what you're going to miss out is looking down much of the time and look at this video particularly to bring it to your attention, and it is in 8 languages, twisted beyond. How do you translate that? Omamori, smartphone, obi, you become an idiot. Being smart is not using omomori with aeroplanes, trains, buses, Wi-Fi, don't know what it is, lockers. It tells you everything, where they are. Absolutely useless. Useless because you have become in such a way that it's useless for you traveling around anywhere in the world. Particularly when I switch off the internet, you will find yourself and your omomori lost.